Hello and welcome to this YouTube channel about cryptocurrency education. Today I'd like to talk about MicroStrategy's latest Bitcoin purchase and deal. And I just wanted to update you because, I was just scrolling through the crypto news pages, and, the last few times when MicroStrategy were buying Bitcoin, it was just everywhere in the news, at least in the crypto space. I mean, you didn't really hear a lot about it in the mainstream media, but yeah, you heard it here and there. But it definitely was very big news in the crypto space, and you heard everybody talking about it. But what actually happened this week, nobody's really talking about it. For some reason, at least the first time I've now heard it is just in this small article that I found on cryptonews.com. And yes, there are some articles on some websites, but it is not the major news that it used to be. And it just shows that it is quite interesting. Whenever there is, the price is going down, and it massively is going down at the moment, these news don't really make it to the front page. They don't really make it into the mainstream media. People don't really hear about them. And this just shows me that, it is so strange. This is just so strange. If you would see this everywhere, I'm sure it would also influence the price positively. I mean, you never really know. It's also, there are the people who say it's all about the charts and the graphs and everything, what determines the price. Other people say it's the fundamentals. So I'm not really sure, but definitely it is big news, and I think it deserves a video. I think you should hear more about it everywhere, but I just wanted to make sure you hear about it. So basically, MicroStrategy, as you know, they've purchased as one of the first companies Bitcoin, and they've been doing that now for a while, always in larger batches. And yeah, they've just done another purchase. And what you can see here is MicroStrategy said it has purchased in another additional 13,005 Bitcoin for around 489 million in cash, at an average price of 37,000 per Bitcoin. And that must have been, a few days ago, I guess, because here this article, at the time of writing, Bitcoin trades at around 33,000. As of today, they hold actually over 100,000 Bitcoin. So in total, they hold 105,085 Bitcoin, acquired for around 2.741 billion at an average price of 26,000. And I believe earlier in this year it was actually worth around 4 billion what they were holding, but obviously due to the latest drop in price, that has decreased now as well. But overall, you don't really measure it in US dollars. You should really measure it in BTC, because in the end, everything is basically losing value. Everything is hyperinflating compared to the Bitcoin price. I mean, just look at, just compare the US dollar or the euro. They are just in hyperinflation compared to the Bitcoin. Because if you have a look how much value Bitcoin has gained, and compared to that, what actually, what in terms of value, what is actually the US dollar? Has that gained anything? I'm not sure. And actually, with the additional money printing, this is actually losing in value all the time, especially compared to Bitcoin. But anyway, it is just an interesting news, and it just shows MicroStrategy continuously and going forward, they will stick to what they said. It's not like Tesla, who made their U-turn for whatever reason. Nobody's really sure what happened there. But with MicroStrategy, I mean, these guys are sticking to what they said, they really believe in, and I'm really excited about this. It would be it's really interesting to see what is actually going to happen going forward with MicroStrategy. They are making more money of Bitcoin than they're actually making of their with their core business, and especially if the price is going up again. And it is so interesting. I'd really love to see what happens in the near future. And hopefully they will really keep it. Hopefully they will hold it. I mean, in terms of what Michael Saylor is saying all the time, that he won't sell it. He will just keep it, and they will just hold on to it. So yeah, who knows? But I just thought that deserves a video. Not sure if you knew about it. This latest purchase, it must have happened last week or so. but I believe it was just announced today, or maybe in the last few days. I think today. This article definitely is of today. The other one here that I found, when was that written? Also today. So yeah, very interesting news. I thought I'd do a quick video on that. Hopefully that was useful. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, then please smash the like button. And if you want to subscribe to the channel and support this channel in the crypto space, then please subscribe. And I hope I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.